Here's a 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Stelvio's voluptuous body wraps around a turbocharged engine, sure-footed chassis, and meticulously crafted leather interior. It's the SUV only Italy could build. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Alfa Romeo has a storied history of building racetrack-inspired vehicles for the street. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.